Hello and welcome back everyone again to Digital Champ, where I talk about selling digital product and marketing and some strategy. So first, I apologize for the yesterday video. Actually, it was not that clear, I think, for many people. So what I'm gonna do is actually recorded a full video of about 17-18 minutes on pictures, format. But this is a quick recap of yesterday. I was gonna talk about that what I'm doing, and I'm doing tutorial of using some platform where you can search product, and one of these platform is systeme, which is a really good platform. So if you're interested on learn about digital marketing strategy, or also interested on using tools and interested on knowing new tools and how to use it, and you want to be the first who to know, then this account will be for you. Make sure to click on the plus sign to follow and to learn more. Okay, now systeme, they have different price plan. I've used many tools. Actually, this is one of the best tools actually you could use. And is this clear? Up this clear. So one of these tools, so in the free plan, okay, you can get many of these features. So if you are using less than 2,000 email, then see, it's going to be good for you. They give you 3 sale funnels, 15 steps. That means you can use 3 domain, right? So each sale funnels, one sale funnel, you can use 5 sale funnel steps, which is more than enough for starting, right? You get one course, but in one course you can host multiple modules, unlimited modules, right? And in course you can have in 2 format, video format or in written format, right, in the course. Okay, now student limited, if you can see, I'm just gonna read out here. Communities is like Facebook, you can have it within systeme, within one same domain name, file storage space and limited. Then here what's interesting is automation rules and workflows. This is gonna put your hands off of working. So once you set up automation rules, then you don't have to do any work. So usually it takes few hours to set up this system, where you set up to sell some templates, or some ebooks, or whatever you are good at or trained at. You can make of it as template or an ebooks, and you sell it within systeme or any other platform you would like, but I prefer systeme. Now they have some new features here, like a Google Sheet integration, and then tags is similar to other marketing tools, which is segmentation, but known as tags. Okay, and free planning can get 1 tag. Actually, it's very limited. It's better if you have 10 or even more. But again, if you start and you don't have any startup cost, then you don't have money, then you go for free plan. You can go work with it with 1 tags. Email campaign 1, and most important thing is here, all this feature you can go through it is custom domains. Okay, systeme, you can get free custom domain. That's one of the rarely I've seen that platform or SaaS offering. Many digital platform, selling digital platform, they offer custom domain with the paid plan. Okay, but systeme, you can get it for free. Okay, so that's for today. I have exactly, let me show you just here. If you, I have tutorial inside systeme in the comment video. Okay, I just need to edit it and I'm gonna upload it tonight. That's one more thing is, if you wanna sign up for systeme and get big offer, what you're gonna need to do is go to my TikTok account and okay, click on, so 1 minute, just I'm new to TikTok, so the link is not going to be clickable. What you need to do is go to bio.link/connect, or you can copy that and paste it on your internet browser, whatever you're using, Google, Safari, if you're using Mac on your phone. Then that's the first link is systeme. You click on it and it takes you and give you a discount. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.